We're going to add 2 members to your LLC or partnership or whatever structure you happen to have. So let's go to the chart of accounts page. I think you'll be happy with what you end up seeing here. You'll see the accounts on the left-hand side. Now on the right-hand side, you have 2 codes. One is a project code, the other is an equity code. So under the equity code, we're going to add two members of an LLC or 2 partners. So we're going to, instead of saying member 1 and member 2, we're going to give them a name. Okay, so member 1, we're going to call Joe. Member 2, we'll call Pete. Okay, so those are the 2 members. Now, I'm looking at this and saying, all right, these guys are going to put money into the business as they're starting it up. And where's that money going to go? I'm going to, in addition to setting them up, I'm going to call project 1 my administrative project. This gives me an option of adding in the future. For example, if I buy apartments, or maybe I have a landscaping business and I want to add addresses to this where my customers are. So we've got Joe and Pete, and we've got the administrative branch, which in the long run can handle all of those incomes and expenses that you can't allocate to anything else that you may have set up as projects. So now we see we have Joe and Pete as members. And let's take a look now. Under equity split is where you're going to find the result of these equity codes. So you could see here up on top, we've got Joe and Pete. So those are set up pretty nicely. Let's go to month 1. And what we're going to do here is, I'm going to call it January 2nd. So what we're going to do here is, and I've said in other videos that although it says check number, it could be a deposit, it could be a credit, it could be a debit. It doesn't have to be a check number. We're going to give it the project code of administrative, and the equity code is Joe. Let's say he's contributing $10,000, and the account name is equity. So you'll see here we've got a drop-down box with all of the account names in it, which those account names can be changed if you desire. So I'm going to just start typing EQ, and here we find owner equity pops up. Okay, so there's our first $10,000. Now the second one, we're going to give, again, a deposit, and this one's going to go to Pete. It's, again, administrative. It's going to go to the administrative, and we've got Pete as the member. He's also contributing $10,000, and again, it's owner equity. Okay. So now the total is $20,000. Let's go back to our equity split. Here in month 1, you could see Joe put his $10,000 in, Pete put his $10,000 in. Total equity between the 2 of them is $20,000. Now, if we go to our project financials under month 1, you'll see under administrative, we've got $20,000 in cash, and our equity is $20,000. So all of this, that simple entry, shows the split of equity for these guys, and it also shows under administrative that we've now set it up that the cash is in administrative and it is an equity. That's a way you set up a member into your BookkeeperXL. I'll have more of these short videos in the future, so keep an eye out for them. Thank you.